Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the most complex and easiest programming languages to learn. Let's dive in. What is a programming language? Before we get started, let's quickly define what a programming language is. A programming language is a set of rules that allows to tell computers what to do. There are hundreds of different programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Most complex programming language. So, what is the most complex programming language to learn? There are a few different contenders, but I'm going to say that it's probably malbolge. Malbolge was created as a joke in 1998, and it's designed to be as difficult to learn and use as possible. It has a very unusual syntax, and it's very difficult to debug malbolge code. Most easiest programming language. Now that we've talked about the most complex programming language, let's talk about the easiest programming language to learn. There are a few different contenders here as well. But I'm going to say that it's probably Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language that's known for its simple syntax and easy-to-learn concepts. One of the things that makes Python so easy to learn is that it has a very human-readable syntax. This means that the code looks a lot like plain English, which makes it easy to understand for beginners. So, what is the most complex and easiest programming language to learn? Really depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a challenge, then malbolge is a good option. But if you're looking for a language that's easy to learn and use, then Python is a good choice. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.